child love music and like dancing around the house? Are they driving you mad, constantly dancing in front of the TV? Perhaps they've got so much energy you're just not sure what to do with them. My name's Keris and I'm the founder and director of Street Feet Dance in Reading. My team and I dance with boys and girls aged 3 to 15 who want to feel less shy, make new friends and get dramatically more confident through street dance. Have you been thinking about signing your child up for dance classes recently, but you're just not sure if they'll stick with it? Or perhaps they've done a free trial before, but they were just a little bit too shy to fully join in and weren't sure what they thought? That's why I want to offer your child a free place on our 2-week street dance starter course starting soon in Reading. All you need to do to claim your child's free place is comment in the box below or leave me a message on the website at www.streetfeetdance.co.uk and one of my team will get back to you shortly with further details and to book you in. I look forward to hearing from you soon.